Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 5 decimal revision. You know what is a decimal? A decimal is a special fraction with the denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. First we study how to read and write the decimal. How to read and write the decimal. Look here, 375. How to read this? First you read the whole number. This is whole number part. This is decimal part. This 375.008. How to read? 375.008 or 375 decimal 008. Understand how to read this? 0.575. There are two parts in the decimal part. First part is whole number part. Second part decimal part. In a whole number part we read together. In decimal part we read one by one. In decimal part we read one by one. That is we read 0.008. Here 0.575. Understand you? Then for example, write in words. Write in words. Write in words. How to read this? 19.876. 19.876. One more question. Now you read this 4735, 4000, 700, 735, decimal 078. Understand you? Write in words. First 19.876. 19.876. Second 4735.078. 4735 decimal 078. You use point or decimal. Then next, expanded, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. In an expanded form, there are two methods. First, fraction form. Fraction form. Second, decimal form. Decimal form. Write in expanded form. First fraction form, second decimal form. First 413.789. How to expanded this in fraction form? First we write fraction form. This way you write fraction form. Here this is a whole number part, this is decimal part. First you write the whole number part, 400 plus 10 plus 3 plus. Now we write the decimal part, 7 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100 plus 9 upon 1000. Understand you? In fraction form, 400 plus 10 plus 3 plus 7 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100 plus 9 upon 1000. In decimal form, decimal. This whole number part is same, 400 plus 10 plus 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.08 plus 0.009. Understand you? In decimal form, the whole number part is same, 400 plus 10 plus 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.08 plus 0.009. Understand you? This is an expanded form, that is fraction form and decimal form. Understand you? In your book there is one form. I think in one form, fraction form, you both methods are you learn, fraction form and decimal form. Then next, convert. Convert fraction into decimal. Convert fraction into decimal. Convert fraction into decimal. Fraction into decimal. Then 7 upon 10. This is a fraction. This we fraction into decimal. This means we divide by 10. We divide by 10. We remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. How many digits we remove? One digit we remove from the right hand side of the number. What is our answer? 0. This 7 we remove, 0.7. Then 7 upon 100. How many digits we remove? 2 digits, that is 0.07. Then 7 upon 1000. How many digits you remove? 3 digits, that is 0.007. Understand you? Then 7 upon 10,000. How many digits you remove? 4 digits. Then 0.0007. This is the convert fraction into decimal in 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. I think you understand this. Then 15 upon 10. We divide by 10. How many digits we remove? 1 digit. What is your answer? 1.5. Understand you? Then 375 upon 100. We divide by 100. How many digits we remove? 2 digits. That is, this we remove. The answer is 3.75. Understand you? Now, how convert fraction into decimal in one by 4. Here, there is no 10 here. First, you divide this number. Always numerator. This is our numerator. This is our denominator. Always numerator come in inside. Which number come in inside? Numerator. What is our numerator? 1. This 1 here, 4 here. Always numerator come in inside and the denominator come in outside. Now you divide this number. The table of 4, how many times go in 1? 0 times. Okay, 0 times. Then we subtract. This is our remainder. When the remainder is come, you put a point in quotient and you give 1 0. Understand you? When you put a point, when the remainder, after the remainder, you put a decimal. Now our number is 10. The table of 4, how many times come in 10? 2 times. Then 8, again remainder come 2. We put a decimal in quotient, therefore we give 1 0 here. Now our number is 20. The table of 4, how many times come? 5 times. Then 20 here, then 0 0. Our answer is 0.25. Understand you how to divide this? Then one more question. 2 by 3. Again 2 by 3. Which number come in inside? Numerator come in inside. Then denominator come in outside. Then table of 3, how many times come into? 0 times. Then 0. Then 2 come in remainder. Then point put. Then 0 give. Then how many times come? 6 times. 18. Then again 2 come. We put already we give the decimal here. Therefore we give 1 0. Okay. Then how many times? 6 times. Then 18. Then again 2. You take a 2 decimal place. This is not stop here. This is in continue process. This is not end here. The answer is 0.6666. Yes, there is no continuation. There is no stop here. This answer is in continuous 6666. We write this answer 0.66 or 0.67. Why we take 7? We round off this in decimal. Then answer is 0.66 or 0.67. Then next, convert decimal into fraction. Convert decimal into fraction. Decimal into fraction. Convert decimal into fraction. Then here, look here, 0.13. First you look after the point, how many digit? How many decimal place? After the point, how many decimal place? How many decimal place here? 2 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 100. Here 0.5. How many decimal place here? 1 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 10. Here 0.007. How many decimal place here? 3 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 1000. Understand you? According to your decimal place, you put the denominator is 2 place you put 100, then 1 place you put 100, 10, then 3 place we put 1000. This is the special fraction with the denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Here, now we write our denominator is 100, then our numerator 13. Here our numerator 5, here our numerator 7. Then here 1.8. How many decimal place here? 1 decimal place. How many decimal place here? 1 decimal place. Therefore, the denominator is 10. We write this whole number part also we write. Understand you? Now this in short form, in lowest term, you cut this number. This is not cut here. The 13 is a prime number. Therefore, there is no common factor here. This cut. The common factor is 5. 1 time here 2. Answer is 1/2. This 7 is a prime number. There is no common factor is here. 1 is the common factor. Therefore, our answer is 7/1000. Here the common factor is 2. Here 9. Here 5. Our answer is 9/5. Then this is improper fraction. You convert this into mixed fraction. Understand you how to convert decimal into fraction. Then next our addition of how to addition in decimal. Here 9.38 plus 17.465. First you arrange in column base. First you arrange in column base. 9.38 here 17.465. Look here after the decimal here 3 place, here 2 place. You put 1 0 in the right hand side of the. This is like decimal now. Now this number is like. Don't put 0 in whole number part. Now you add this 5, 14, 8, then 6, then 2. Our answer is 26.845. Then now how to subtract? Subtract 35.78 from 50. Read the question. Subtract 35.78 from 50. First you from which word come? From come in question. Therefore the second number write in first. 50. There is no decimal place here. You put how many decimal place here? 2. Therefore you put 20. Understand you? Then first number we write 35.78. Then subtract this number. 8 take away from 0. This is possible. You take borrow this cut. This cut 4, 9, here 9, here 10. Then here 2, then 4, then 1. Our answer is 14.22. Then find the product. Find the product. $34.38 multiply 5. Then first you multiply symbol multiplication. 3438 multiply 5. Symbol multiply you. 40, then 15, 19, then 1, 21, then 17. Now our multiplication is over here. Then now the decimal. How many decimal place here? How many decimal place here? 2. Therefore, you in right hand side 1, 2. You remove one digit, then you write the answer 171.90. Understand you? Now another question. 8.002 multiply 1.3. Then first you multiply symbol multiplication. 8.00, don't put it, 2 multiply 13, symbol multiplication. Then 3 2 ja 6, 3 0 ja 0, here 0, 24. Then 0 here, 1 2 ja 2, 0 0 8. Then add this number 6 2 0 4 10. This is our. Now you count the decimal place. 1 here, 3 here. 1 plus 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many decimal place we have in both number multiplier and multiplicand? How many? 4. 1 here, 3 here, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here point. Our answer is 10.4026. Understand you how to multiplication in decimal into decimal? Decimal into decimal, how to multiplication? First you multiply symbol multiplication, then you count both decimal places, multiplier and multiplicand, then you count the decimal places, then you put the decimal in according to, in right hand side you count 1 2 3 4, then you put a decimal. Then find the quotient. Divide. How to divide in decimal? Divide. Divide by 7. First we divide this number 73.48. This way you put the decimal place also in divide. Then the table of 7, how many times gone? 1 times, then 7, then 0, then 3 come here. How many times gone? 0 times, then 0 here, then 3 again. Then put a decimal, this 4 come here. Okay. 34, how many times gone? 4 times, 28. Then 6, then 8, how many times? 9 times, 63, 5. Already the decimal here, therefore you put 107. Then our answer is 10.497. You understand the decimal in decimal chapter? How to read, how to expanded form, addition, subtraction, multiplication, convert decimal into fraction or fraction into decimal. All are you understand again? Okay, thank you.